Good afternoon, children. Again, I come back with a new lesson. Uh, 7th class, subject English. It is the day 4, it is session 4. Okay. In the first session, question paper pattern. We discussed the question paper pattern in the first session. And in the second session, we discussed the A reading of the first unit. Okay. In the third session, we discussed the B reading of the first unit. The B reading, the poem. We discussed the poem. Okay. And it is the fourth session. In this session, we discuss about the C reading. By this lesson, our one unit will be completed. By this session, by this C reading, one unit of this 7th class, first unit, it would be completed. Okay, you got my point? And what is the C reading? The C reading is the C. All of you open your textbooks, then it is very easy for you. You can easily understand if you open the textbooks. Keep open the textbook. Here the page number is 19. Okay. Here you see, have you seen this? Yeah, C reading of the first unit. What is the lesson name? Once you read it, have you read? Okay, let me read. The new blue dress. Open the page number 19 in your textbook. The new blue dress. Okay, let me write on the board. New blue dress. You see, it is my suggestion. If you have the dictionary with you, you maintain the dictionary. Okay? Being a students, we have to maintain the dictionary. Dictionary, it improve our vocabulary. If you have the much vocabulary level, your vocabulary capacity is too good, then you can present your answer in a different way. You can impress the others. So, maintaining the dictionary and carrying the dictionary with you, it is compulsory. Everybody should have their packet dictionary, their own packet dictionary. Maintain the packet dictionary, then within 1 or 2 years, you can improve your vocabulary levels. Okay? Right. What is the C reading? The new blue dress. Today we are discussing about the new blue dress. Here the dress is new dress. But in which color? It is in the blue in color. The dress is in the blue color. And here the C reading. Let me read the first paragraph. All of you keep your fingers. Okay? Right. When spring came to the city of Cleveland in 1909, it did not change the Gates Avenue. People who lived on the pretty streets near the Gates Avenue were making gardens and painting their houses. But the Gates Avenue continued to look dirty and ugly. Here particularly in this lesson, we are discussing about the Gates Avenue Street. The Gates Avenue Street, it is since so many years, since so many decades, it has been dirty, it has been ugly, nobody is cleaning. Even the people who are living there, the residents who are living there, they are not cleaning even their own houses. So since so many years, the street, it has been dirty and it has been ugly. During every spring season, the other street people, they are cleaning their streets. But here the people, they are the lazy and nobody is coming forward to clean the street. So it has been dirt, it has been ugly since so many years. Actually, this is the problem with the Streets Avenue. Here the Streets Avenue of the Streets Avenue, a street is ugly and dirt because nobody is cleaning. Even their own houses also nobody is cleaning. Gates Avenue was a short street. How the street, the Gates Avenue, the Gates Avenue, the name of the street is Gates Avenue. How the street is very short. Very short. It is not the lengthy street, it is the short street, but it seemed longer because it was so ugly. Actually, the street is so ugly, that is why it is seeming like longer, lengthy street. but it is actually, it is the short street. Because of the ugliness, because of the dirtiness, the street was seeming, looking like it was long and length. Most of the families who lived there had very little money. Actually, why they are not painted their houses? Okay, they have not been painted their houses since so many years, because the people who are living in the Gates Avenue, they have the very little money. It means they are the poor people. They are the poor people, they are the poorers. So they do not have the money, that is why they are not applying the paints. So the houses are looking dirty. This is the one reason why the houses are looking dirty. And they never expected to have any more, and now at present they do not have, and even in the future also they are not expecting the money to have. Okay, this is actually the situation there in the Streets Avenue. And their houses had not been painted for many years and did not have the running water. You see, they did not painted their houses, and even they do not have the running water. Running water means fresh water. Running water means fresh water or flowing water they do not have. Okay, and the street itself was ugly too, and in the street itself they do not have the running water, the houses are not painted, and the street itself is a ugly street. There was no pavement, there is no street light, and the railroad at the end of the Gates Avenue added noise and dirt. You see, there is no pavement. Pavement means for the walkers. Okay, there is no pavement, and there are no street lights. Even there are no street lights at all. And even if you go end of the road, if you go end of the street, and there is so much of noise and dirt. This is actually the situation of the Gates Avenue. And the other girls in the school near Gates Avenue wore new and pretty clothes that spring. And there is a one school nearby the Gates Avenue. There is a one school, and nearby the streets that all the students are coming to that school. And here during the spring season has started. During the spring season, and the children who are living in the other streets other than Gates Avenue, in the other streets, they came with the new dresses. Okay, during the spring festival, or during the spring has started, so the children came with the new dresses, but the girl who is living in the Gates Avenue, she came with the regular routine and a dirty dress. She has been wearing the dress, and with the same dress she attended the school during the spring festival. There was a spring festival. You understood my point? Okay, let me explain again. During the spring festival, all the children, they came in the new dresses. They own the new dresses. But the girl who came from the Gates Avenue, she came with a regular routine and a dirty dress, unwashed dress. She came to attend the school even during the spring festival also. And here the dress was dirty, and probably that was the only dress she owned. Actually, the teacher thought probably she has only one dress, and her teacher was very unhappy. The little girl was so nice. She always worked hard in school. She was always friendly and polite. Here the teacher felt very sad about that girl, because that girl is very hard worker. She works very hard in her subject. Okay, and she is very polite with others, but she owned the dirty dress. So the teacher felt sorry about to the student, particularly about the girl. And her face was dirty, her hair was untidy, but anyone could see that she was pretty under the dirt. Her face was dirt, but under the dirt she has a pretty face. She has a pretty face. Here one day the teacher said, "Won't you wash your face before you come to school tomorrow morning? Please do that just for me." Here the teacher, in the requesting manner, or in the you see how we generally, the elders talk with the children. They talk with in a lovely manner. Here the teacher asked the girl, "Can you come tomorrow with washed face?" Okay, with washed face. Can you clean your face, and after cleaning, can you come to the school? The teacher asked in a very lovely manner she asked the girl. And the next morning, the child pretty face was clean. How the child, the next morning, the very next morning, how the child came with a pretty face, with clean. Actually, every day she is attending the school with the dirt. But on that day, when the teacher insisted that, when the teacher said, you come with clean, and the next day, that student came, the girl came with a clean, with a pretty face. And her hair was also very clean. And before the little girl went home in the afternoon, the teacher asked, now dear, please ask your mother to wash your dress. Okay, the day was completed. Before the day was about to complete, the teacher again asked the girl, little girl, ask your mother to wash your dress. Okay, in the previous day what she said, you clean your face. The girl next day cleaned the face. And today the teacher said, you clean your dress also. You clean your dress also. How you clean your face? You clean your dress also. The teacher asked the girl. And what the girl answered, the girl gave the answer, but the girl continued to wear the same dirty dress. Her mother is probably not interested in her, the teacher thought. The next day, the girl came in the same dress. Here the teacher thought actually her mother was not interested about her child. The teacher thought. And so she brought a bright blue dress and gave it to the little girl. The child took the gift eagerly and rushed home. And on that day, the teacher gave her a new blue dress. And with that dress, the child rushed to her house. You got my point? The teacher gave the new blue dress to the girl. And with the dress, the girl felt very happy, and with the dress, she rushed to her house. And the next morning, she came to school in the new blue dress. The very next morning, the girl owned that blue dress, which is given by her teacher, owned the new blue dress, and with that blue dress, she came to the school. She came to attend the school. And she was very clean. How the girl was looking? She was looking pretty clean. Okay? And she told her teacher, my mother couldn't believe her eyes. When she saw me this morning in my new dress, when my mother saw me in this new blue dress, my mother couldn't believe her eyes. It means her mother felt very happy seeing this pretty girl in a new blue dress. Actually, she's a pretty, and when she owned the new dress, she's looking more beautiful. Okay, the dress made her more beautiful. And my father wasn't at home, but he will see me during the supper time, and he too feel excitement. Here the girl mentioned, my father was not there during the morning time, so he did not see me, but during the supper time. Supper means, what do you mean by supper? Supper, S-U-P-P-I. Supper. Supper means a dinner. During the night time, during the meals night time and a dinner time, my father can see me in this dress, and he too feel very excitement about this dress. Okay, the girl said. When her father saw her in the new blue dress, he was amazed. He was amazed. How? I have a beautiful daughter. His father felt, wow. He was surprised to see her daughter in a new blue dress. He was surprised. Oh, I have a beautiful girl. He ever noticed that. Okay, when he saw her daughter in the new blue dress, he felt very happy. And also, the one more thing he noticed that there was a tablecloth on the table. While they are having the supper, there was a clean tablecloth on it. They never have the clean tablecloth, but on that day, the girl's mother washed the tablecloth and it spread on the table, and that was very neat. Then there was a little bit of change came in the father's attitude. Then he thought, if our daughter is living very cleanly, then why can't we? The parents have the thought, if their daughter is living clean, if the daughter is maintaining the cleanliness, then why can't we maintain the cleanliness? Okay? And when the thought came, father started working hard, and also the mother also started cleaning the kitchen cupboard, and everywhere they started cleaning it. And the next day he started repairing the fencing outside. He cut down the grass and started fencing. And the one who is living nearby the houses, the neighbor, he observed them, and he too started working on his own house. And very soon the change came in the street. The people one after other, they are started repairing their work, and some are applying the colors, or some are washing their houses, and some are washing the floors, and they are living cleanly. This was going on. This process went on for some days, some months, and one particular day, a minister visited the Gates Avenue street, and he observed all the houses are very clean, and they have the clean gardens, greenery gardens, and fences, and the streets also very clean. And he thought these people are deserved to have the street lights because they are maintaining the cleanliness. They are maintaining the cleanliness. So these people are deserved for the street lights and good roads. So the minister immediately he sanctioned the street lights, and also the work of road it is started. And immediately they have started the work, and the work in progress. And the other street people, they were impressed. They were impressed by these people, and they too started working hard. And they established organizations, and the organizations started giving the suggestions to the people individually and group wise. And everybody they came into the picture, and they are working hard. They are maintaining the cleanliness. How nobody is guessed when the teacher presented the blue dress to the girl. Nobody is guessed this much of progress, this much of development, or this much of change. But the teacher has brought the new attitude, a new character to the people, and the people started living a new style of life. This is what the new blue dress. The new blue dress, it has changed the attitude and the behavior of the people. From that day onwards, the people started living cleanly and maintaining cleanly. Okay, this is about the central idea of this lesson. Okay, while you are reading this lesson, you get number of difficult words. Number of difficult words you come across. Wherever you got the doubt, here the glossary is given. Let me read the glossary. You too concentrate on the glossary. You keep open the textbook and see the first one, running water. The people who are living in the Gates Avenue, they do not have the running water. Okay, here the meaning, what is the meaning is mentioned for this. Water coming from the main supply when taps are turned on. Actually the fresh water. You can write the fresh water also. Running water means fresh water or flowing water, or the water which comes through the taps from the main supply. Okay, this is actually the meaning of running water. And pavement. Pavement means in the general manner we use footpath. Okay, in the general manner, in the general sense, we say footpath. Footpath is the pavement. Okay. And next, excitement. Excitement means in some sense we can take this excitement as a surprise. But here the meaning is, as per the text, the meaning is strong feeling is called excitement. What is that? Strong feeling is called excitement. His father was excited when he saw the girl in a new blue dress. Okay? When he saw his daughter in a new blue dress, he felt excitement. He was excited. Excited means there was a strong feeling, there was a surprise. Okay? That is. Next, amazed. Amazed. Here the meaning is mentioned, filled with great wonder, surprise. This is also same. Surprise, excitement, a great wonder. Okay? Amazed. His father was amazed. His mother was amazed when they saw their child in the new blue dress. Okay? Next, decent. Decent means decent people. Decent people means respectable. Decent. Okay? A decent person, respectable person. Next, community. People living in the same locality. Okay? The people who are living in the same locality, they can have the community. And organize. Organize means to arrange. Organize the things on the table. It means arrange the things. Okay? Okay, to arrange, organize, or to make a preparation also. The meaning, in some sense, we can take the meaning of preparation. Okay, organize, preparation, arrange. These all are the synonyms. Next, campaign. Campaign. Campaign is actually the advertisement. Political campaign. Some leaders came into our street, give their campaigns. Okay, here the series of planned activities to do something. Campaign means these are the set of activities, and take that activities into the public, and make the activities so much giving the activities so much of advertisement. That is called campaign. Okay, this campaign word is a new word for you. It is not introduced in your previous textbooks, so it is the hard word. Once you read the lesson once or twice. You read the lesson. Okay, wherever you come across the difficult words, you go through the glossary. Even the words are not there in the glossary, then you can refer the dictionary, no problem. And after reading the glossary, you go into the very short answers. Here in the let me tell you, but the page number is 22 in your textbook. You open the page number 22. There the questions are there. Okay, here the answer the following questions. What is the first question? Let me read. Okay. What kind of street was Gates Avenue at the beginning of the story? At the beginning of the story, at the initial stage, how the streets were. The Gates Avenue streets, how those streets were. They were dirty, they were ugly. Actually, the street is very short, but due to the ugliness, the street is looking long. Okay, this is actually at the initial stage, at the beginning of the story, the streets were very ugly, but later, in the later part of the lesson, that they changed their streets. Okay, and what happened at the end? At the end of the story, what happened? They changed their behavior. The people, they changed their behavior. They started working hard. They started cleaning everything. They started painting their houses. And at the end of the story, they started getting the facilities from the government also. Okay, these are the changes came. Okay. Next one. What do you think the teacher gave the blue dress to the little girl? Okay, actually, why the teacher gave the blue dress to the girl? Because the girl have only one dress. The teacher felt very sad about the girl, so she presented a new dress to the girl. Okay, she is very pretty. She is working hard, but she do not have the dresses. Okay, this is the reason the teacher presented the dress to the girl. Or else you can mention other reasons also. Okay, that student is working very hard. She is very clever, and the teacher felt very sad about that she has one dress. So that's why she gave the blue dress. What change did the new blue dress bring in the little girl's house? When the little girl owned the new dress, what are the changes that came in the little girl house? That her mother started cleaning the table, and also she cleaned the kitchen, and her father also started repairing the fencing, and he cut the grass. Okay, they started maintaining cleanliness in their house after she owned the dress. Okay, that is the change came. That is the change came when the girl owned the new blue dress. Next, how did the change in the little girl's house? Okay, it is completed. Next, the last question. Do you think behavior of people influence the others all the time? For suppose, here the question is, for suppose your behavior, depend on your behavior, the others can react. Yes, it is. For suppose our behavior is too good, my behavior is good, then you too behave me in a good manner, is it or not? So, depend on the behavior, the opponent can react, respond, reflect. Yes, 100% it is true. Depend on our behavior, the others, they react. This is. It is the lesson. It is my suggestion. You go through the lesson at least 2 times. At least 2. If it is possible, read 3 times. After reading the lesson, you go into the glossary. Read the glossary. After that, then you go into the questions. Okay. This is actually the way of reading the lesson. Here our lesson name itself is reading. So first of all, you give much time for reading the lessons. By this lesson, our unit 1 is completed. 7th class students, our unit 1 is completed. In the second session, I told you the A reading. You go through the lesson reading, glossary, question answers and the exercises. Okay, degrees of comparison exercises. After that, B reading, 2 poems are there, Town Child and Country Child, 2 poems are there. You read the poem. Here you read the poems. Okay, you read the poems. Here, what is the page number? Here, please. You go through the poems. Okay, and after reading the poem, go through the glossary, then questions, and write in your notebook your own answers. Don't copy from anywhere. Write your own way. Okay, even if it goes mistake, even if you make the wrong, no problem at all. But write your own answers. Try to make your own sentences. Okay. Next, after completing the B reading, you go into the C reading. Read the lesson, go into the glossary, and again same pattern. Okay, same. Okay, after completing this is the unit 1. It is completed.